Hi, Willie Mayette from Piano with Willie. Welcome to this lesson on 10 different jazz and blues licks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through 10 different licks. Now, in case you don't know what a lick is, it's just a short little phrase that we use for improvisation. Like, for instance, the first one here is... Okay? Now, how you use these licks is anytime you see this type of chord, like a dominant chord or a minor chord, you can use this lick. You can also transpose these licks into other keys, right? Now, we don't have time to get into transposition in this particular lesson, but I do have lessons on transposition and memorization. And you can also use it as a springboard. So you could kind of... use it as a springboard for your own improvisation, okay? So let's do this first lick. So now this is on a C minor 7 chord, and it's the 4th finger over here in the right hand, C, and so that's your first lick on C minor 7. You can also use a C7 chord. Now you'll notice later on I'm using C7 chords like this or like that. Any of those chords would work as well. So you could do C7. Notice I play the C, I just kind of hit the pedal and I hit this C up here. So that type of chord voicing works well, okay? Or doing this. Okay? So it's ba dee, ba dee, ba dee, ba dee, ba. So left. And I suggest that you break up the lick into 2 patterns. So start with this. So crossing over to the 2nd finger. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2. Right? And then practice the next part. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ba dee, ba dee, ba dee, ba dee, ba. It helps to vocalize as well. All right? So you can do dominant or the minor. Okay? You can also do this over that shuffle pattern, which I'll talk about a little bit later in some of those licks. Now, when that happens, which I will talk about later on, and I believe in lick number 10, I'll talk about the triplet figure in the left hand. So if you don't understand that triplet feel in the left hand, go to lick number 10, and I'll explain that there. Okay? So last time on this lick, on the dominant or the minor. You can also use this lick even over an F7 chord. Like over a C blues, so you could use that same lick, right? So a very versatile lick. I'll see you in the next one.